Do you have an idea, but no editing skills? Can ChatGPT help her make a video in minutes?
Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how I made a short, informative video about the value of drinking water in the morning using just ChatGPT and VEED. No editing skills needed. Let's get into it.
First, I open a new chat in ChatGPT. I ask it to create a short video script on a healthy habit, specifically the benefits of drinking water in the morning.
ChatGPT quickly gave me a nice little script talking about how drinking water after waking up helps boost metabolism, flushes out toxins, and improves brain function. Now I tell ChatGPT I want to make this video with VEED. It instantly gives me a step-by-step guide and even finds the VEED Video GPT tool.
Now, in GPT's section, search VEED and select Video GPT by VEED. Then copy and paste the scene to the VEED.
Then tell Make Video with VEED.
It will talk with connector and ask your permission. Give Allow and wait for the link and click it. Now it will open VEED interface and making your video, wait until it finish. And here it is, the final video about the importance of drinking water in the morning. Let's see.
When you wake up, your body's been fasting for 7 to 8 hours. Just one glass of water can jumpstart your system, hydrates your cells, flushes out toxins, boosts metabolism. Simple habit, big impact. Start your day right. Stay healthy.